Welcome to the channel. Today, we're mastering the pronunciation of the long and complex medical term, paracoccidioidomycosis. It may look overwhelming, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be pronouncing it like a pro. Let's break it down step by step. The correct pronunciation is paracoccidioidomycosis. First, we have par, where it sounds like the par in parrot. Then a, which is a soft, neutral sound like in sofa. Next is cock, where it rhymes with rock. After that, we have sid, which rhymes with kid. Then comes e, which sounds like the e in see. Next is o, which sounds like the o in go. After that, ido, where ido sounds like edu. Next comes my, which sounds just like the word my. And finally, cosis, where co rhymes with go, and cis sounds like sis. Let's put it all together slowly. Paracoccidioidomycosis. Now repeat after me. Paracoccidioidomycosis. A little faster. Paracoccidioidomycosis. And at full speed. Paracoccidioidomycosis. Keep practicing, and soon it will feel natural. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Paracoccidioidomycosis is a fungal infection that primarily affects the lungs and can spread to other parts of the body. It's caused by a fungus found in certain parts of Central and South America, and it typically leads to symptoms like cough, fever, and difficulty breathing. That's it. Now you know how to pronounce paracoccidioidomycosis and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, share it with others, and comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next. Don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.